Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel Mathematical Lens by Namita. We are continuing with chapter number 2, Lines and Angles of grade 6. Now in this chapter, there is an activity of making rotating arms of an angle. Right? That activity is given. So I'll show you how we can make the rotating arms. Right? So I'll just show you. I have made one. So there are two, you can see, two straws I have taken. You can use a paper clip, open it, or if there is a wire, you can bend the wire and just insert the two straws in it, and you can make an angle making two arms with rotating angles. You can increase, decrease the length, the amount of rotation, and change the angle accordingly. So these are the rotating arms. Now just see, this is the angle being made using the straw and a wire, right? Now, there is a question in that, a challenge is given that can you reduce the angle, right? So, let us see. Let us first measure the angle. Let us see what is the length of the angle. So, if I use the protractor, this is 50 degree, right? The angle is 50 degree. Now, if I want to reduce the angle, can I cut the arms of the angle and change the length of the arms? Let us see. So what I'll do, I'll just cut the length of the arms, right? So does it affect the angle? So it does not change, the angle remains the same. So very important concept of geometry you should know of the angles, that the length of the arm does not affect the angle. The angle remains the same, right? So whatever is the length of the angle, if you don't change the amount of rotation, what is important over here is the amount of rotation, how much you are rotating, right? From this arm to the other arm, the amount of rotation is the angle and not the length of the arms, right? This is very important. Now there is another activity given here in the on same page number 25 about passing through the slit. Now we'll try to pass this angle through slit and understand which angle is greater, smaller, or equal to the slit given. Okay. Now we'll understand the activity of passing through the slit. I have taken the same angle which we made using the straw and the wire, and I have made a slit in the paper. You can make it in a cardboard, and we'll check whether the angle does it pass through this slit, right? So in this case, you can see it passes through the slit, right? So what does it mean if it passes through the slit? Means it is equal to the angle in the slit, right? Now if I take a larger angle, what will happen? Only one of the arm will pass through the slit and the other arm is outside the arm of the slit, right? That means this angle is greater than the slit. Now if I reduce the size of this angle, what will happen? This one arm is again passing through one of the slit, but this is less than the slit. So this shows that this angle is less than the slit. So this activity is helpful in comparing angles, whether they are equal, more, or less than a given angle, right? I hope you have understood and enjoyed the activity. We'll continue with this chapter in the next video. Thank you.